You're looking to purchase your first sauna. Here at the Sauna Place, we're here to guide you on this journey, and we'd love to help you with this purchase. So we're going to start out by asking you a couple of questions to figure out what sauna best suits your needs. Are you looking for a freestanding sauna or a permanent fixture in your home? If it's a freestanding, is this going to be an indoor or an outdoor? How many people would you like to have in the sauna? What features would you like with your sauna? Would you like a special backrest, special flooring, special benching, anything along those lines? So we've picked out your key features. What's it going to take to get this sauna in your home and get your family enjoying that sauna as quickly as possible? The next step we would have to figure out what the lead time is going to be on the sauna so we can get that to you. These saunas range depending on which one you're going with. Some of them we can get to you immediately, some of them are going to take a couple weeks, some of them even longer. Depends whether it's something that we have here in stock or whether it needs to be assembled and pre-manufactured for you. For something that we have in stock, an ideal timeline might look like about 1 to 2 weeks. For something that we need to order, we could be looking upwards a longer time, but I assure you you're going to enjoy the product once you get it in your home. So if you have any additional questions and you're looking to get your order started, again, my name is Tony and I'm happy to get you on your way.